morning to all. Today we will learn and read about animals. Targeted learning outcomes of this chapter animals. Students will be able to identify the big and small animals. They will be able to identify the wild and domestic animals, to classify the animals, and they will be able to tell the names of different types animals as small animals and big animals, etc. So this is our chapter animals. Kids, before starting this chapter, I am going to ask some questions based on this topic. So get ready for identify them, guess them, and tell the name of given pictures. Let's start. First question. Identify the given animal. Kids, see this picture, see this animal's picture and identify the name of this animal. Which animal is this? यह कौन सा जानवर है? Think. Yes, this is a cow. We get milk from a cow. Second question. Who is the king of the jungle? You can see in this picture also animal or the king of the jungle is standing in front of the animals. Who is the king of the jungle? जंगल का राजा कौन है? Yes, lion, Lion. Lion means शेर. He is the king of the jungle. He rules all over the animals. Next question. What is our national bird? हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी क्या है? What is the name of our national bird? You can see and identify the given bird also. Yes, this is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. मोर हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है. We say peacock in English. Which animal makes the sound of meow meow? You can also hear this type sound in your colony, in your home's roof. Okay, so which animal makes the sound of meow meow? Some hints are given here. A buffalo, a zebra, a cat, or a fox. Which animal is this? This is a cat. Yes, a cat makes the sound of meow, meow, meow. Okay? Yes. So let's, kids, we see different types of animals around us. हम हमारे चारों तरफ तरह तरह के जानवर देखते हैं. We can see or find these animals everywhere. In our fields, at our home, in forests and water and land also. हम हर जगह तरह तरह के जानवर देख सकते हैं. ये हमारे घर में भी रहते हैं, पानी में रहते हैं, जंगल में और खेतों में भी रहते हैं. Out of these animals, some animals are big and some animals are small. इन सभी जानवरों में कुछ जानवर बड़े हैं और कुछ जानवर छोटे हैं. Some are wild and some are domestic and pet animals. कुछ जानवर बहुत जंगली जानवर हैं, बहुत ही खतरनाक है, और कुछ जानवर घरेलू हैं और जिनको हम घर में पाल सकते हैं. So kids, first of all we learn about big and small animals. कौन से जानवर big और small animals? You can see these pictures also. See this picture and identify the big and small animals. इस चित्र को ध्यान से देखो. इसके अंदर कुछ बड़े और कुछ छोटे जानवर हैं. Identify their name. which animal are big here and which are small in size? Yes, giraffe, zebra, camel, a lion are big animals here, and parrot, pig, turtle are small animals. So kids, big animals are big in size, like a, an elephant, giraffe, bear, cow. These animals are big in size. Some other big animals are like lion, ox, kangaroo, buffalo, blue whale, crocodile, etc. These animals are big in size. Now, some small animals. Some animals are small in size, like a butterfly, mosquito, ant, caterpillar, and a cat. These are small in size. Some other small animals are dog, mouse, rabbit, turtle, fish, bee, lizard, earthworm, and cockroach also. These all animals are small or tiny in size. Now kids, these animals are divided into two parts. Some are wild animals and some are domestic or pet animals. First we know about wild animals. Wild animals means जंगली जानवर. जो जानवर जंगल में रहते हैं they are called wild animals. Kids, see this picture again. This is the scene of a jungle, a forest. Different types animals live in a jungle or forest. You can see here different types animals, and as we know, the lion is the king of the jungle or forest. So identify which animals are here. The king of the jungle is lion, already here, and tiger, elephant, yak, fox, rabbit, turtle, zebra, other animals also here. So these all animals are wild animals. So kids, some animals live in jungle or forests. These animals are called wild animals, जिनको हम जंगली जानवर भी कहते हैं. So kids, now think and guess the answer and tell me. We cannot go to the jungle to see these wild animals. इन जानवरों को, इन जंगली जानवरों को देखने के लिए हम जंगल में नहीं जा सकते. Then think, where can we go to see them in a easy or interesting way? हम इन जानवरों को देखने के लिए जंगल में या फॉरेस्ट में नहीं जा सकते, बिकॉज दैट विल बी डेंजरस, खतरनाक हो सकता है. देन वेयर कैन वी गो टू सी देम इन अ इजी और इंटरेस्टिंग वे? मनोरंजक तरीके से आसानी से देख सकते हैं, ऐसी कौन सी जगह पर हम इनको देखने जा सकते हैं? थिंक. यस, वी कैन सी देम इन अ जू ऑल्सो. Okay, zoo is a place where we can see these wild animals in a easy or interesting way. Okay, so this is the zoo where these wild animals lives. Now these are some wild animals examples like tiger, lion, hippopotamus, crocodile. Dear kids, we cannot keep these animals at our home. हम इन जानवरों को हमारे घर पर नहीं रख सकते, because some of them like tiger, lion, hippo and crocodile, above these all animals are very dangerous. They can harm us. So we cannot keep them at our home with us. Some other wild animals also there like bear, elephant, zebra, fox, giraffe, etc. Now again think kids, why we cannot keep these wild animals at our home. As we talk, as we talked just before, why we cannot keep these animals at our home. Tell me. अभी हमने पढ़ा है. Yes, because these animals are very dangerous and they can harm us, so we cannot keep them with us at our home. Good. Kids, we have learned about wild animals. Now we will learn about domestic or pet animals, जिनको हम हिंदी में घरेलू या पालतू जानवर भी कहते हैं. Kids, see this picture. This is the picture of a farmhouse. Okay, so see this picture and identify these animals. Which animals are here in this farm? Tell me. Yes, here are some horses, some sheep, some hens, a donkey also there, a cow, pig. These all animals are domestic animals. A farmer keep them, these animals, at his farmhouse. So these animals are called domestic animals. These animals help a farmer in different ways. So डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, विच आर डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स, घरेलू जानवर कौन कौन से हैं. वी कीप सम एनिमल्स एट होम और इन फार्म्स. सो दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड पैट और डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. किड्स, कुछ जानवरों को हम हमारे घर में या हमारे फार्म्स जो खेत होते हैं उनमें रखते हैं. ओके, सो दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड पैट और डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. सो ये जानवर पालतू या फिर घरेलू जानवर होते हैं क्योंकि इनको हम पालते हैं. लाइक अ बफेलो, अ काउ, ऑक्स, हॉर्स, अ कैमल, हॉर्स एंड डंकी. ऑल दीज एनिमल्स आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. घर में पाले जाने वाले जानवर जो हमारे साथ रहते हैं और हमारी सहायता भी करते हैं. किड्स, दीज all animals are very useful to us and help us in many ways, like take us from one place to another place. We can ride them. They can take our different things from one place to another place. Or crops also they take from one place to another place. जो घरेलू जानवर हैं, डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स हैं, वो हमको कई तरह की चीज़ें देते हैं जिनको हम खाते हैं, लाइक मिल्क, एग, मीट. ओके, एंड इसके अलावा ये जानवर चीज़ों को एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पर ले जाने में भी लोगों की मदद करते हैं. सो दीज ऑल एनिमल्स आर वेरी यूजफुल एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. नाउ सम वी विल नो सम मोर अबाउट देम. बिफोर दैट, a question is again here. Which animal is called the sheep of desert? This is also a domestic animal, youth. Okay, the sheep of desert. This is also a domestic animal, जो जिसके बारे में हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि कौन कौन से डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स है. इन्हीं में से एक कौन सा एक जानवर है जिसको हम रेगिस्तान का जहाज भी कहते हैं. ओके, you can see this hint for the name of this animal. Identify this animal. Yes, this is a camel. You can ride a camel. You can do camel safari also. Pet animals. Kids, pets are those animals which we keep at our home to give us company and pleasure. Pets जो कि पालतू जानवर हैं, वो ऐसे जानवर हैं जिनको हम हमारे साथ रखते हैं, हमारी खुशी के लिए रखते हैं. लाइक डॉग्स, कैट, टर्टल, फिश एंड रैबिट. ऑल दीज एनिमल्स आर पेट एनिमल्स विच वी कीप विथ अस एट आवर होम इन एक्वेरियम. सो दीज आर पेट एनिमल्स. किड्स, अगेन थिंक and tell me, Which bird can talk like a human being? दिस इज अ पेट बर्ड, ये एक पालतू पक्षी है जिसको हम घर में पालते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन फाइंड अ हिंट फ्रॉम दिस पिक्चर. विच बर्ड कैन टॉक लाइक अ ह्यूमन बींग? कौन सा पालतू पक्षी है जो इंसानों की तरह बात कर सकता है या बोल सकता है? थिंक. Yes, this is a parrot. A parrot can talk like a human being. Very good answer. Kids, we have learned about animals, wild animals, pet and domestic animals. So now some points to be learned. Some animals are big and some animals are small in size. Some animals live in jungles or forests. So these animals are called wild animals, like tiger, lion, hippo and crocodile. These animals are very dangerous animals, so kids, we cannot keep them at our home with us. We keep some animals at our home or in our farms. So these animals are called pet or domestic animals. Cow, buffalo, ox, goat, horse, donkey, camel, all these animals are called domestic animals, घरेलू जानवर. And some animals like parrot, cat and dog, these animals are called pets, pet animals. So kids, have a look on these points and learn them. Now some exercise based on our topic animals. First question: animals live in jungle or forest are called wild, pet or domestic animal. You have to choose any one option from these ABC options. What we call these animals who live in jungle, forest? We have learned about in this topic. Yes, this is wild. So we put here wild word. Now this sentence will be animals live in jungle or forest are called wild animals. Now question 2. Name the animal. Kids, identify the name of this given animal and write here. Tell me. We have read about this animal in our English books chapter Haldi's Adventure also. Tell me, what is this? Giraffe. Yes, this is a giraffe. It has a long neck and a small tail. Question 3. Match the following column A to column B. कॉलम ए में बच्चों कुछ एनिमल्स के नाम हैं और कॉलम बी में एनिमल टाइप्स लिखा हुआ है. सो यू हैव टू मैच एनिमल्स नेम फ्रॉम देयर टाइप्स. यस, सो लायन इज अ डोमेस्टिक एनिमल, पैट एनिमल और अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. विच एनिमल इज दिस? यस, लायन इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल. काउ इज अ डोमेस्टिक और पैट एनिमल. We have to match cow from domestic animal because cow is a domestic animal. We keep a cow in our farm, so this is a domestic animal. Parrot. Parrot is a pet animal. So kids, now some homework. You have to do some homework in your notebook. Write to wild animals name. 2 जंगली जानवरों के नाम लिखो. राइट टू डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स. 2 घरेलू जानवरों के नाम लिखो. राइट टू बर्ड्स नेम. 2 पक्षियों के नाम लिखो. एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ड्रॉ योर फेवरेट एनिमल एंड कलर इट. अपना पसंदीदा जानवर का चित्र बनाकर रंग भरो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर टॉपिक एनिमल्स. आई थिंक you learn a lots of things from this topic. So keep learning, keep smiling and have a nice day. Thank you.